Hey guys, it is Tia from Work at Home Maiden. I'm back with another video. Today we're talking about it's kind of a different sort of way to get some money. Today we're talking about top class action lawsuits or top class action website, but they do their whole thing is posting and keeping people up to date on class action lawsuits. Now, I've been using this website for, I don't know, a long time. I came across it several years ago, and I've been a part of multiple class action lawsuits that I wouldn't have known about if I had not found this website. So, we're going to look at their fact real quick. Do class action lawsuits work? I personally can say yes. How do you file one? What is a class action settlement? What is a class member? What is a class action lawsuit? All that information is in their fact. You can go check it out. Lawsuit investigations are run by class action lawsuit attorneys who contract with top class actions, which help them find potential plaintiffs or class members who have been affected by certain legal issues. They want to help clients secure compensation for their injuries or losses and hold companies accountable for wrongdoing. Now, recently there was a class action lawsuit against Facebook, and I hope many of you, especially if you were in my Discord, which is free, you got an alert from me about that. But you can just bypass Discord if you want and just sign up for the newsletter for top class actions, and you can just have these things sent to your email. The Facebook settlement was approved, and the checks should be cut, I think they said the first 2 weeks of January or something like that if nothing happens. But anyway, what I want you to focus on the most here is going to lawsuits and settlements, pending class action settlements, and checking these out. They also have a list of ones that are that are open. So here you'll see a list of pending class action settlements. This one is for Flint water crisis. The website is open for registration. This might actually be kind of old. These are some of the other ones. EpiPen, California Nestle Candy class action website is active. Facebook moderator class action. This one, look at the dates. You need to keep up with the dates. This one is more recent, December 8th, 2023. And this is why I feel the need to bring attention to this website. I'm not sure how many people know about this website, but at some point in your life, you most likely will be a part of a class action lawsuit. If you are in the US, I believe they also do Canada. And you have the potential to make money, or at least recoup some money that you may have been entitled to. There's another one for Facebook. There was this one. This one got me because it affected anybody who bought chicken anywhere in the United States. I'm not sure if it's still active or not, because this one's from 2020. But I remember filling out the form for this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just recap. Topclassactions.com is a website you can go to where you can get access to all or many of the class action lawsuits that are going on. Class action lawsuits will affect most people, especially in the United States at some point or another in your life. So it is probably valuable for you to keep this in your bookmarks and check out the the pending class actions. You can search lawsuits to join. Lawsuits by brand. Open class action settlements is the one that I want you to kind of focus on. I think I might have clicked on the wrong one last time. Yeah, sorry. This is the page to go to. Sorry. Scratch that last part. In the last conversation we were having, go to this one, not the other one, because the other one is a little bit old. This one is more up to date. 2024, yeah, 2024. My bad. This one, check this one, not the other one. Well, we can do both, honestly, but this is the one I want you to focus on the most. And these, yes, there they go. So Crunchyroll is one that a lot of you guys might be affected by. Hefty's another one. The broiler chicken one is still going on. If you've eaten chicken at all in the United States, that's one that you might want to go look at. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Make sure that you're kind of keeping up to date on these things. This is money that you don't have to necessarily work for, that you've already become a part of in the past. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hope to see you in another one. And don't forget to go over to the Discord. The link will be in the description box below. It's free. All the information is free. And you can ask questions over there and get access to work-at-home jobs that I have vetted myself and that other people have looked at and vetted as well. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.